Welcome back to the Dr. Jeffrey Tauth Heart Talk Show, and today's show is called Dr. Jeffrey Tauth Hidden Heart Strain Warning Signs. And trust me, it's juicier than your cousin's peach cobbler. Your heart might be screaming for help right now, but you can't hear it. 3 hidden lifestyle habits are silently destroying hearts every day, and I'm about to blow the whistle on all of them. Here's how to know if you're at risk, and spoiler alert, you probably are. Let's start with what I call the sleep sabotage. Now, I know what you're thinking. Dr. Tauth, I already know sleep is important. But hold your horses because this will make your jaw drop. Less than 7 hours of sleep increases your heart disease risk by 13%. 13%. That's like playing Russian roulette with your ticker every single night. Here's what's happening while you're tossing and turning or binge-watching Netflix until 2 in the morning. Poor sleep spikes your cortisol levels, which is basically like having your body's stress alarm going off all night long. This raises your blood pressure and cranks up inflammation throughout your entire cardiovascular system. It's like having a tiny construction crew jackhammering away at your arteries while you sleep. Your Fitbit or phone can track sleep quality, so do me a favor right now. Check your average this week. If it's under 7 hours consistently, maybe I should see you in the clinic. We need to talk. But sleep isn't the only silent killer lurking in your daily routine. Let me introduce you to what I call the sitting disease, and it's more dangerous than a rattlesnake in a sleeping bag. Sitting more than 8 hours daily doubles your heart attack risk. Doubles it. And here's the kicker that'll really fry your bacon. Even daily exercise can't fully offset prolonged sitting damage. Yep, entirely true. I can't make this stuff up. You could be running marathons on the weekend, but if you're planted in that office chair for 10 hours straight, your heart is still throwing a tantrum. Every 30 minutes of sitting triggers inflammatory responses in your arteries. Think of it like this. Your blood vessels are like garden hoses, and sitting is like putting little kinks in them every half hour. Eventually, those kinks become permanent damage. The third habit might surprise you more than finding out your grandmother has a TikTok account. It's what I call the stress storm, and it's absolutely wreaking havoc on hearts across America. Chronic stress releases hormones that literally scar heart tissue. I'm talking actual physical scars on your heart muscle. Work stress alone increases heart disease risk by 40%. When you're constantly stressed, your body pumps out cortisol and adrenaline like a broken fire hose, and these hormones cause plaque buildup in your arteries faster than barnacles on a boat hull. Your heart wasn't designed to handle the constant pressure of modern life. Deadlines, traffic, bills, social media drama. It's like asking a race car to idle in stop-and-go traffic for hours. Eventually, something's going to overheat. Let me tell you about Sarah, a 42-year-old marketing director who walked into my emergency room last month. Perfect diet, regular gym workouts, normal cholesterol levels. She was doing everything right on paper. Then she had a heart attack at her desk after months of 12-hour workdays and 5-hour sleep nights. Sarah's wake-up call taught her something crucial. Lifestyle stress trumped all her healthy habits. She thought she could outrun bad sleep and chronic stress with kale smoothies and spin classes. Her heart had other plans. Here's the thing that makes me madder than a wet hen. All of this is preventable, every single bit of it. Here's what you can do today, and I mean today. Set 3 phone alarms right now. First, a bedtime reminder so you actually get 7 hours of sleep. Second, an hourly stand-up alert to get your blood moving. Third, a 5-minute breathing break to reset your stress levels. Start with just one, pick your biggest weakness. If you're a night owl scrolling through your phone until midnight, tackle the sleep first. If you're glued to your desk like it's covered in super glue, focus on the movement breaks. If you're stressed tighter than a tick on a hound dog, start with those breathing exercises. Your heart will thank you within 24 hours. I'm talking measurable improvements in blood pressure, heart rate variability, and inflammation markers. Your body wants to heal, you just have to stop sabotaging it. The beautiful thing about your heart is that it's incredibly forgiving. Start treating it right today, and it'll start treating you right back. But ignore these warning signs, and you might end up like Sarah wondering how you missed all the red flags. This has been the Dr. Jeffrey Tauth Heart Talk Show. Until next time, stay healthy, and remember, if you're looking for answers, check out drjeffreytauth.us.com. Later, y'all.